Maneno gai mar doho David Maraga osejatend piny Kenya William Ruto kuom rem tieko ng'anyo ma jopuonj mbalariany ma kor donje juma mar adek kowacho ni mano en yo mar thiro somo ma pacho kae. Ne olose kinde manosidho ayanga jachung' ma duond bura mar UGM e yiero madundo ma Ugunja. Maraga wacho ni piny owacho oserem tieko midhiero mar jopuonj mbalariany go ka omenda mamoko to itiyo godo e chenro mar sirkal motese ni empowerment program ma gibiro e kinde ma ng'anyo mar jopuonj go koro donjo e juma mar adek ka jopuonjre modiwo e skunde nyocha obwogo mar riwore gi jopuonj gi ng'anyo ma kamano mondo mi sirkal owinj ywakgi.
And you know, you miss even 1 week of classes, it affects the students' performance. We say the lecturers cannot be paid because there is no money to be paid. And yet, there is money to be given out as empowerment. In fact, it was an irony that the teachers go to State House to be given handouts, and the classes are empty because the children are not there. There is no capitation. We want to condemn that. This is all corruption. This is corruption. Money has been taken from education to be given out as empowerment, which is actually bribery, and yet the lecturers are out of classes. Those are among the things we don't want, and those are the things we want to eliminate in the next government. There is voter registration that is going on. We continue to appeal to the young people to come out in large numbers and register so that come 2027, everybody has a vote.